Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of Pokémon Go. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Pokémon Go and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.